Hello everyone, my name is Prathamesh and today I'm going to talk about Java Action Listeners. In this presentation, we will explore action listeners in Java. These components are essential for enhancing user interactions in applications. By understanding how to implement and utilize action listeners, you can create dynamic and responsive applications that engage users effectively. So, what is an action listener? Action listener is an interface in Java that receives action events. It allows you to define how your application responds to user actions, such as button clicks or menu selections. Understanding this interface is crucial for creating interactive Java applications. Implementing action listeners. To use action listener, you need to implement the interface in your class. This involves overriding the action perform method, where you can define the actions that should occur in response to user interactions. This setup is fundamental for any interactive Java GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. Registering action listeners. After implementing action listeners, the next step is to register it with components you want to monitor. This is done using the add action listener method. Allows you to your application to listen for specific user actions and response accordingly. So now we can see the common use cases. Action listeners are commonly used for buttons, menu items, and other interactive components. In graphical user interface, they are essential for responding to user inputs such as submitting forms, navigating menus, or triggering animations. Additionally, action listeners can enhance your engagement by providing immediate feedbacks and improve the overall interactivity of your application.
And ensure the correct listeners are triggered. Testing each listener separately can help identify issues and improve the overall reliability of your application. Real world examples. Action listeners are crucial in various applications such as enabling button clicks in games for characters movements, triggering events in multimedia applications, and validating user inputs in waveforms. They facilitate dynamic responses to the user actions, significantly enhancing the experience and interactivity of the software. Conclusion. Action listeners are interfaces in Java that respond to the user interactions such as button clicks or key presses. They allow developers to define specific actions that occur when an event is triggered. Mastering action listeners involves knowing how to register them, handle events, and manage event-driven programming effectively. Action listeners in Java enhance user interaction by responding to the events like clicks and key presses. They enable dynamic content updates, improving usability and aesthetics, where contributes to the more engaging website experience. This interactivity helps maintain user interest and encourage exploration of the site features.